Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to unpack this cutie with you. So if you want to know what's in here, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so if you follow me for a long time, you will know that I talk about jewelry so often, and I actually never really splurged on a jewelry piece that is custom jewelry except my Hermes click-clack bracelet. I usually like to spend money on like solid gold pieces and fine jewelry, as I think they stand the test of time better. Nevertheless, I really adore some fashion houses jewelry that they do, and one of them is definitely Dior. And this is my first piece of Dior jewelry, or my first piece of Dior altogether. I've only bought like makeup items from them before, so this is my first real piece. And I picked it up in Istanbul airport. It was Terminal 6, I think. That was the international terminal. I have it on my receipt, so this is my receipt. It got in this and in some paper, so I can tell you exactly. So it's Istanbul Airport Terminal 1, and they had like Louis Vuitton, they had Prada, they had Fendi, and they had Hermes and some other stores. So there's a lot of good shopping to be made. And I picked up some custom earrings. They're the Dior earrings. I will show you really soon. And I paid 310 euros for them. And I tried to figure out like how much they were in Germany, because I saw a ring there, or I tried on a ring. It was like a gold ring with the CD, and it had pearls around it. I will insert a picture here. And I tried it on, and it was very nice, but yeah, it wasn't like I wasn't over the moon with it or anything. It was nice, but it wasn't something that I was gonna spend money on. So that one was 250 euros in the store in Istanbul, and then when I checked the German website afterwards, it was listed for 290 euros. So I'm not sure if this is because either like the exchange rate or because of the taxes that I didn't have to pay, because obviously it's tax-free if you buy it from the airport. So that was awesome. So I got my first Dior piece tax-free, and I'm over the moon with them. So I'm gonna share with you what is in this beautiful little bag. I moved you really up close, so I hope you can see a little bit better. Yeah, because they're really small, so I'm gonna put them on now. So this is the carrier bag, and it's super cute, and I love this charm. I'm thinking of like taking it off and putting it on my Christmas tree in winter time. I think that would be really fitting, because I always have like gold ornaments and stuff, so I'm thinking of doing that. And then I have this Dior box. It's super cute, and then you open it up, and there is a little pouch in here. And I have to say, I'm really over the moon with the carrier bag, but the box is kind of cheap, and this one is also kind of cheap, but yeah. And then you open it up, and you can already see there's 2 items in there, because I picked up some earrings. And these are so cute. Like, I saw them, and I didn't want to get earrings because I don't know, like, I got my extensions, and I'm always wearing my hair open, so you can't really see my ears. So I thought like maybe a ring or something, but I saw them, and I always like the Dior, because I think it's like such a fun word play with like J'adore and Dior. So I don't know, I really like it. It's the language geek in me that excites such things. So yeah. So anyway, this is the earrings, and I'm coming a little closer so you guys can see. So they say Dior, and then they have a pearl and then a little star on the pearl, and the other one looks the same. And I'm gonna put them on really quickly for you so you can see. So basically the back part is the Dior, and the front part is a pearl, and they're super easy to put in. I was really scared. Like, did you see how fast that was? They're super easy to put in. Actually, I'm not really sure. I'm hoping it's a real pearl, but obviously the gold is just gold plated, and it's not like a shiny gold. It's more of like an antique brassy gold. So yeah, I really like that actually. So I'm gonna show you my ear stack. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see. So these are the Dior earrings, and I got these in Dubai as well. These are 22 karat. And then I have these ones from Astrid and Mew. This one is from Astrid and Mew as well, and this one is from a random shop, but it's also gold plated. So this is my ear stack. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna show you on the other side. So on the other side, I hope it focuses, I can't see because of the camera, but this is my ear stack on the other side. So I just like have a piercing right here, and then the two same like on the other side. So this is my unboxing. I just wanted to tell you my thoughts on like custom jewelry and things like that really quickly. So I usually like to spend my money on more fine jewelry. As you guys know, I have some pieces from Cartier. I also have a lot of like solid gold pieces that I pick up from random places that I'm traveling to. Like for example in Dubai, I picked up the earrings that I just showed you, or I picked up obviously this 18 karat white gold ring with zirconia. And I feel like jewelry is something you want to last, like you want to appreciate it for a long time, maybe pass it on to your daughter or your son or granddaughter or something. I feel like jewelry is something that just like has to stand the test of time. And obviously custom jewelry doesn't really do that. So I was kind of hesitant because I've only spent like good money, like a lot of money on one custom jewelry piece, and that was my Hermes Click Clack bracelet. And I only spent that money because I was obsessed with this bracelet for so long, and I knew that if I wasn't gonna get it, I would just be lusting after it like forever and forever and forever. So I thought, yeah, okay, let's bite the bullet, because I've heard like that it will stand the test of time as well. And I see so many of these on the pre-loved market, so that are like 20 years old, and they still look, of course they're scratched, but they still look good, like I would still wear them. So yeah, that was something that I decided to invest in. But yeah, other things, like I've watched so many videos of like Chanel custom jewelry, and like especially the ones with the crystals. I watched Sophie Showhead's video, and she said that the crystals just fall out and you have to repair it, and then it's in repair for a couple of weeks or months even, and then you get it back and they just fall right off again. And I didn't want to deal with that, so I definitely wanted something that is like solid metal in order for that not to happen. But I wanted, I don't know, I just wanted something that is fun but also quite understated. You guys know that I love to wear jewelry. I have a lot of jewelry, like if you see on my arm and things like that, I have a lot of jewelry. I wear it all the time, and I wanted something that I can wear all the time but is still somewhat of a statement. So yeah, I thought 310 euros was like, yeah, considerably good price. And I think it got me hooked a little bit. I just watched on the website because I tried to find the earrings again, even though I've looked, but I couldn't find them. But I saw a ring and I was like, nope, 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 this is not gonna happen. Like, I'm not gonna buy anything else like custom jewelry wise. The next purchase I'm gonna do jewelry wise is the Just on Clue in the rose gold in the thin version, and for my index finger on the left hand. So I have these rings that I wear all the time, and I have these rings that I wear all the time, and I wanted another ring for here to kind of balance it out. So that's definitely the next piece I'm gonna get, and probably the only piece I'm gonna get this year jewelry wise. So yeah, that was like kind of an impulse purchase, but I also got it, yeah, kind of for our honeymoon as we're flying to Dubai, and I thought I'm gonna treat myself, and that was like my honeymoon gift to myself, or my wedding gift to myself. So I'm really happy with it, and I'm also really happy that I now have some Dior in my collection, and I'm probably gonna add more. I really want to add a bag, but it's out of my budget right now. But yeah, I'm just really obsessed and thankful that I can do all these things. So if you like this review unboxing, then give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe down below, and I will see you for my next video. Bye guys!